Hi guys, in this video we're going to show the power of speed ramping so you can either slow or speed up your clips using this technique in Final Cut Pro. I've got this goal here and I've copied it, this duplicate clip here, and I'm gonna do a slow motion replay using the speed ramp. So this demonstrates speed ramp, which I use it for, and it's very useful. At first we're going to determine at what point we start the speed ramp, and I would say around there when it kicks it. So what we do is click the clip and then we press Shift B. This puts in a start point where the speed ramp will kick in, it will start. Okay, then we'll just press spacebar and then decide on an end point where the speed ramp will end and transition back to full speed again. So again, we press Shift B. And this is a 60-second clip, and I like to put it, I know this works pretty well, 25%. to give it a slow motion effect. So as you see straight away, it really slows down, it looks smooth, and look at that, what a difference from the original. That is so nice. Okay, we have these bars here, and it starts off, you see, 100%, and it slows down to 25%. This is a gradual transition. So if we want to change the transition from faster to slower, we can just drag this across like this. So it will actually, doing it that way, it will slow it down. You see there, it's gone to 68%. So that will make it more gradual. If we want to make it from fast to slow, in a faster fashion, we do this. Now it's 130%. We just drag this. Okay, you see now it's gone really fast and then it's gone slow. So you can think with this. I generally keep it at 100%. If we want to transition from 100% to 25%, we can grab this one here. You see, this determines the speed that it kicks in from fast to slow. This will be really quick from fast to slow, like that. And if we drag this longer, it'll take longer to go from the fast to slow, but that's still really nice. I generally cut it. I will cut the clip about here because I don't need all that space there. And it will start there, it looks pretty good, and I'll end it about there. So option, right bracket, just to trim the clip. And if I want to make any adjustments, just adjust this bar here. But this is kind of hard to control, but it's not hard to control, it's hard to judge, but you can just like feel how it looks, and I think that looks pretty epic, you know, so I'm very happy with that. This demonstrates speed ramping, I think, perfectly. Once we're happy with that, we carry on working on different clips. We can hide this, we can press Command R to hide our speed ramp. So if you decide, like, sometimes you've got your speed ramp clip and then you decide you want to edit it, but you don't know how to edit it, the speed ramp, you've just got to press Command R again to open it. And just remember that shortcut, Command R. Thanks for listening. I hope you learned something, and please subscribe and like the video if you want to. And I'll see you in more videos very soon. Peace.